Hey guys, I am testing this out right now. My laptop is on my computer chair, and I'm on the floor. And I really hope this all works out because I'm filming it and I have every intention on posting it. So, right now I have. Well, I'll just go ahead and tell you before I tell you what I have. I am going to attempt today to fix my speaker Starz Bear her soundbox or battery pack thing. So I did some research and I'm gonna try these two ideas. Hopefully it'll work. Vinegar. I googled it and it said vinegar would break down the acid or whatever it is, the battery acid, whatever. So use this like really carefully with Q-tips. I have paper towels, and this is a bowl of hot water. So hot water is always good to have. Anyways, this works, and I'll be a happy camper. So, by the way, I am wearing one of the most comfortable pairs of pants ever. And they only cost me $5 brand new. Alright. If you don't know, I don't use my sounds or battery operated sounds or lights in my animals. So I've been taking from my animals. So, and this is my Eric, and I'm gonna take his batteries out because they are brand new. They have not been used, just been sitting there. So I don't buy batteries ever. I don't see the point. La 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 la. Batman. Okay. There we go. It's a tool. I wonder how long this is actually going to take. That is 3 minutes already. Uh-oh. Batteries. Alright. I'm surprised how many of these, with the batteries in them, I have now. Okay. And back in the corner. Okay. Got her. Yeah, I'm figuring this is going to be longer than 10 minutes. I'm going to have to edit it. Alright. So, it's said to take the vinegar. So I'm gonna do the bottom first. The bottom before I do near the metal pieces. See if it's working. And it's working. It's working to clean it. I don't know if that'll make it work actually, play. So gross. I hate the smell of vinegar. And see, she smells like my perfume, but for a while she'll probably smell like this. And I can hear it like fizzing. So it definitely is reacting to it. I was told on the website to use gloves and protective gear because this stuff can make you sick. So don't try this at home. Let your parents do it. You have to realize, I'm an adult, so if I don't follow instructions like that and I get hurt, it's my own fault. But I advise you not to go against instructions. I advise you to let your parents take care of things like this. Alright. Well, it looks like I got it all. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use another Q-tip of hot water. I'm going to run carefully around everything. I'm not accustomed to getting things like this wet. Actually, okay. So now, luckily, I have a little bit more than 10 minutes to do this. I'm using the paper towels, and I'm just carefully, very carefully putting it inside. Just in case there's maybe a puddle of water or something. This will get it. So now that that's done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set her right here with the battery pack. I'm actually going to do it upside down. Let gravity do what it needs to do. Again, preventing pooling of water or liquid. I'm going to lay it here probably for about an hour, let it completely dry, and then I'll test it with the batteries. Every website that I looked at warned, do not put the batteries in until it's fully dry. I intend to follow that. Alright, I will be back in an hour. Holy soundbox, Batman! I'm back, and she's all dry. Let's see what she does. That's all I'm gonna play. But it works. So thank you, brothers JJWJ16. If I actually got that right. JJWJ16. And where's the other brother? Where's the other brother? I actually can't find you. I know you exist though. There you go. JJ6594. You just sent me a message, so that's how I know. Anyways, it works. Thank you very, very much. And yeah, so I'm gonna get her stuffed and on the 3rd, and then I'll make a video of the unboxing. Okay? Comment, rate, subscribe.